Investing for Beginners, Lesson 8, Where do you go from here? From here, we would like to suggest that you go out and open a brokerage account. Then, make your first deposit into that brokerage account. Afterwards, find a stock that you are familiar with and that you can potentially afford. From there, you should read articles and news about the stock market to get more familiar with either other stocks or just the market as a whole. We also encourage you to continue learning your education on stock investing either with us or on your own. CFE Finances offers a course for intermediate stock investors called Intermediate Stock Analysis. That course covers how to analyze a stock in great detail by reviewing a company's financial numbers. Thank you for taking this course. I hope you enjoyed it and now have a good foundation on how to invest your money in the stock market.